you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a limited edition box from Fruit for Thought to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I purchased this limited edition box from Fruit for Thought. According to my email, I purchased this July 30th. And when you did purchase it, this is the limited edition Dubai chocolate box. And I'm so excited because I haven't actually tried one of those yet. I do have a kit that I'm going to try to make my own, but I wanted to try a real one first so then I can compare with the one I'm going to make. You know what I mean? So this box just arrived and I'm really, really excited to see what's in it. When they first announced it, you can purchase the box and it said it was going to wait and ship towards the end of the year when it was cooler, which I definitely appreciate here in Florida because it is really hot here, normally year round. So tomorrow it's supposed to be like in the 30s. I'm like, how do we go from 80s to 30s in one day and then go back up? But you know, let's go ahead and dive in. Again, I'm super, super excited. I've been waiting for this box. I've been waiting to try the Dubai chocolate bar. So let's get her open. So a little bit of an update. After filming this video, the owner actually posted to their Instagram stating that the December box unfortunately is going to be their last and final box. After several years of putting out amazing boxes with several different amazing themes every single month, they are going to be closing their doors. I wish the owner much success in her new life endeavors and whatever that may be, but I do want to let you guys know that the December box, again, unfortunately, will be their last and final box. So when you first open it up, it is wrapped just like the subscription box with the tissue paper right on top. And then when we remove the tissue paper, there is a sneak peek to inside. So this is the Dubai chocolate themed box. Oh, I'm so excited. Pre-order limited edition holiday hostess box by November 3rd. Oh, and we're already past November 3rd. Ships December 3rd. So they do have a limited edition holiday hostess box. If you're interested in that one, you can see if it's still available. But I'm so excited for this Dubai one. So let's go ahead and start with the very first thing that we are pulling up. And this is the Dubai chocolate caramel. What? Nut-free pistachio filling, individually wrapped. What? What? Okay, so for the card, it says it is expensive, so we've added retail prices so you can see you are getting your money's worth. We wanted to give you a good variety. A rich, buttery, caramel infused with all natural nut-free pistachio flavor and desiccant chocolate, inspired by the bold, luxurious taste of the Middle East. This unique creation blends the warm sophistication of pistachio with the deep richness of gourmet cocoa. Retail values for $7.99. That sounds amazing, you guys. It smells so good. That's what they look like down inside. Here is one of them. And that's inside. It tastes like really good caramel, but to me, I'm not really picking up the pistachio flavor of it, but it's a really good caramel. Oh, now I got a chunk. So at the very, very end, the end that I ended with, there was like a little ball maybe of like the pistachio. So I did get that, but it's mainly like all caramel. And then you have that little ball in there. But those are really good. The caramel's really good. So there's that. Again, these are valued for $7.99. $7.99. Okay. So next up we have cotton candy. Cotton candy. It says Sweet Bliss Candy Company Cotton Candy. And there we go. So there is a cotton candy. It says, say hello to the Dubai chocolate cotton candy, where the iconic viral flavors of chocolate and pistachio cream meet the soft, dreamy magic of spun sugar, nut-free, dairy-free, and totally crave-worthy. This treat captures a rich, indulgent state of Dubai chocolate from a light melt-in-your-mouth twist. It's a luxury you can snack on. Retail values for $8. Dang, that little bit of cotton candy is $8. Let's go ahead and get this one opened. It's sealed around the rim. Oh, and I believe, because I pulled up my email, I believe this was, it says my card was charged for the amount of $34.99. It smells really good. It smells really good. Let me just pull off a little piece of it. Ooh, it is very nice and airy. That is really good. I do taste the pistachio, like the flavor in here. That is really good. That one's really good. Yeah, the flavor of that cotton candy, that is really, really good. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. So now we have, it says Oasis Treasures Toffee Dubai Chocolate Limited Edition. I love toffee. So this one right here, it says limited edition toffee chocolate bar from Oasis Treasures, crafted in Dubai for a truly premium experience. This indulgent bar blends smooth milk chocolate with golden toffee pieces and a layer of crispy, however you say that word in the pistachio, that KNAFEH, pastry, creating the perfect balance of creamy sweetness and caramelized crunch. This is valued for $10.99. And I don't really want to taste everything right now, but I'm going to show you what this one looks like. That's the bar. And this one is the Pistachio Dubai Chocolate Bar. So this is the one I'm really, really excited about because I really want to try. You know, that thing was going everywhere, viral about that candy bar. And I'm like, where do you get that? Discover the viral sensation your customers can't get enough of, the Oasis Treasure Pistachio Dubai Chocolate Bar, featuring rich milk chocolate, pistachio-infused white chocolate, and a crunchy, whatever that word was again, center. This 70-gram, 2.5-ounce bar is handcrafted in the US and it retails for $10.99. Ooh, look at that. That's so pretty with the little design on it. Okay, so this one I'm going to open because again, I have been waiting to try this. I thought from like the things that you look at, these chocolate bars are like way bigger than like this little thing. They always seem like they're like huge bars that people are breaking open and trying. So here's that. And that's the inside. That is really good. But that is the milk chocolate pistachio Dubai chocolate bar. Again, $10.99 for each of these boxes. We have one item left in here, and this says it is the Dubai chocolate hand therapy. It's your solution for dry, damaged hands. This 1.35-ounce travel tube is perfect for on-the-go hand care. Their unique formula promises to heal your hands within days, providing luxurious care at an affordable price. Enjoy this erotic scent of Dubai chocolate. Retails for $8. Whew, $8 for a travel hand cream. It probably is really good then. It does have a seal. And I love hand cream. My hands get tore up. I have animals. I have so many things that I'm doing. I have scratches and scrapes. My dog tripped me up. I hit the wall. Like, my hands are always so tired, so dry, so messed up.
Oh, that smells really good. So hand cream I love because I just can't get enough of. Plus I wash my hands a lot during the day, so my hands generally dry out a lot too. But ooh, that feels amazing. I always bring it down a little bit, especially like on my tattoos and stuff, like to get some nice little moisture in there. So but that does, I can kind of smell like the pistachio and the chocolate. It's not like a strong scent, but it is a nice subtle little sweet scent to it, but it feels amazing. So I like that. So I'm really glad that I got this box. I got to explore more things than just the chocolate bar, which I think is super neat. We have like this one with the toffee, which I can't wait to try that. I'm gonna wait till probably tomorrow to try that one. My chunky self don't need all this chocolate in one day. But this one is super, super good. So a quick recap, you have 2 different chocolate bars, both $10.99 right there. You have the hand cream, you have the cotton candy, which was so different. Like I'm used to just regular plain cotton candy. This has a really nice taste to it, definitely something different, and it's nice and airy. And then you have these caramels here too. What do you guys think? Have you ever tried one of those bars? Do you want to try one of those bars? Did you grab this limited edition box? Let me know all the details down below. I would love to hear from you. If you want to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below to let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.